After seeing so many messy videos on YouTube for this integral, I decided to finally make the most crystal clear explanation of this question on the entire YouTube. This looks complicated at first, but it's not if your fundamentals are clear. Let me take you back to the fundamentals. And in the fundamentals, let me show you what's the derivative of square root of x, which most of you know. But let me give you a quick recap. We know square root of x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. And we can use the power reduction formula, and this will become half x to the power half minus 1. Okay, so you can write this as 1 by 2 x to the power half minus 1 is nothing but minus half. Now what I'm trying to do is that x to the power minus half is nothing but 1 over x to the power half by the law of exponents. Okay, and that gives you 1 over 2, 1 over x to the power half. Now x to the power half is nothing but again square root of x. What that tells you is for square root of x, the derivative is nothing but 1 over 2 square root of x. That means that in the derivative or the differentiation of square root of x, there is a square root of x in the denominator. Okay. Now that's all the fundamentals you need in order to solve this question. What you do is this x, just write this as square root of x times square root of x. Okay. After that, what you can do, just factor out one of the square roots from this. So what you get is 1 over square root of x. Okay. And you will get square root of x minus 1. Okay, with respect to x. Just factor out one of the square roots of x. Since we know the derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x, if you put square root of x minus 1, this function is equal to u, you can see the derivative present right here. Okay, there is just one 2 missing here, which can be easily managed, but at least there is 1 over square root of x present. Okay, so that tells me let's put square root of x minus 1 is equal to u. Now let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Square root of x, the derivative of square root of x is nothing but 1 over 2 square root of x. Derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx. Now let's convert that entire integral from the x world to the u world. Okay, in order to convert that integral from the x world to the u world, we'll have to convert that dx in terms of du. If you notice, there is a dx here and there is square root of x over here. Okay, and then there is a square root of x here and dx here. So what you do, just multiply that dx on the other side. So that will give you dx divided by square root of x. So therefore, you have dx divided by square root of x and multiply that 2 on the right hand side is nothing but 2 du. Okay, this is the equation that we'll use to convert that dx in terms of du. Now let's convert that entire integral from the x world to the u world, so that dx divided by square root of x can be written as 2 du. So 2 times du and 1 over that square root of x minus 1 is nothing but u. Now what you see on the screen is a kindergarten integral. Oh, I wish they had integrals in kindergarten. Now that 2 is constant and can be taken out of integral. So what you have is 2 times integral of 1 by u with respect to u. And we know integral of 1 by u is nothing but log u or ln u, natural log. So we have natural log of u plus constant of integration c. Okay. Now let's convert it back to the x world. We know u was nothing but x square root of x minus 1. So we can just resubstitute that. So we have 2 ln square root of x minus 1 plus constant of integration c, and this is nothing but your final result. I hope that makes sense. If you need further help in calculus and want to book one-on-one tutoring with me, do check out my website excelmath.ca. The link I've also attached in the description as well as in the first comment below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such helpful content. I'll see you tomorrow.